Hey Sierra, how you doing? Hey buddy, what's up? You doing pretty good? How's that feel? You like that? Hey Sierra, are you sleepy? You ready for bed? You're a good bird. You're a good bird. Hey you. Did I startle you a little? Sorry about that. You're a good bird. Hey you. Whoops. Focus! Focus! We are out of focus, little buddy. So, are you ready to go bed? You ready to go bed, buddy? Yeah, you kind of like head scratches. You're so little, though. You're such a young little baby. Good bird. It's time for bed. Good night. Good night, little lady. Where are you going, silly goose?